All right, everyone, this is DM1962. It is a 1997 Toyota Celsior. Obviously, it is not stock, highly modified, high radius flares, 20-inch Work VS XX wheels on air ride, full aero. I love this car so much. I probably should have bought it, but I didn't. Black leather interior that we'll get to in a minute. I'm just gonna walk around, show this thing off, point out cool stuff. I mean, just so stinking cool. If you have any questions about the car, definitely leave a comment below. If you want to ask us something specific, please feel free to shoot us an email to drivermotorsports@gmail.com. We'd be happy to answer whatever questions you might have. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk around and drool. Y'all enjoy. One thing I will say is we should have bought floor mats for this car. I don't know why we didn't. But yeah, the red floor mat that's in the pictures is in the trunk because I don't know why it was in there. And then this one, again, I'm not real sure why it's in there. Sunroof car. Nice and soft back seat. Looks like we have factory rear floor mats here. But yeah, as I mentioned, I mean, the seats are super soft. They feel like they've never been sat in. Just so you can kind of see how good of a job they did here with the radius. It's good. As I mentioned, I put that floor mat in the trunk. This one does have heated seats, which is a nice feature. Go ahead and pop the trunk. Pop the hood as well. Yep, there's the floor mat. And the only reason I'm keeping it is if you just want a floor mat, so you're not messing up the factory floor there. No jack. Air tank is here. Compressor is there. Nice and tidy. It is missing the trim that goes around the toolbox there. You can see what tools are in here. Missing the pliers. Still has the flashlight though. back in here. Can you sense my disdain for that floor mat? One other thing I probably should show you is this. So manual air, so you watch the pressures. It's not like an airlift system where you would just set it and forget it, so to speak. This you have to adjust up manually to the height you want it. Badgeless grill. Again, not something you see very often. This is being sold from our premium inventory, so mechanically it is good to go. You can see that the car was obviously white, but all of the jams are done red, and they did a good job. Got some Mitsuba Alpha horns. So again, if you'd like to see anything specific, we'd love to show it off to you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more behind the scenes content, check out our other YouTube channel. This one is specifically for walk around videos and inspection videos. If you guys have any questions about this car in this video, please let us know. We'd be happy to answer them. If you want to see specific things, pictures, video, we'd love to send you those too. Thank you so much for watching.